No one remembers? What is your family? Who is saying?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. May I know your good name?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. So, in the last class, we saw types of families, right? This is social science lecture. Okay, girls? See that you sit with a rough book and write use the heading of today. Social studies. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming here.
Okay, 1 minute, huh? Now it is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in this class, today we are going to go ahead with the lesson types of families. What are we going to learn, beta? Types of families. If you remember, the last class I taught you, okay, what types of families are there. Do you remember anyone? Joint family, nuclear family, right? So today we will do what are types of families. How are they? How do they work for us? Okay. So what is a nuclear family? Anyone knows? Yes, students. Anyone knows what is a nuclear family? No one knows. Okay. Nuclear families is what, beta? When parents, okay, they live with their children. With whom do they live? Beta? Hello? With whom do they live? Parents and children. And the
Yes.
children are unmarried. How are the children? Yes, beta. How are the children? They are unmarried. Okay? That is a nuclear family. What it is?
Your voice is.
Girls, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, nuclear family में parents and children, and the children are usually unmarried. Okay, मतलब के they are unmarried. Their marriage has not happened. Okay. Now, family. Family is what, beta? You can see in my presentation.
Yes,
Can you see
ma'am.
my
This is
presentation?
a
Can you
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Hmm.
clear.
Yes. So family is a group of people. Okay, what it is? A group of people who live together in a house. Okay, they are related to each other. They fulfill the needs and requirements of each other. They love and take care of each other. They provide safety and security. And they always guide to do the right things. All these are the important points. Okay, in which family helps us to do all these things. Yes. What does a family help us in, beta? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes. How does a family help us?
What, मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, girls. Everyone cannot listen me.
Yes, no, ma'am.
You cannot listen me.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is clear. Ma'am, your voice is clear. Ma'am, now what? Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Is it clear, girls? You can listen me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta say.
Family is a group of people who live together in a
Live
life
me.
and
Live me. Leave.
live
Leave. Hmm.
live in the life. And in family, there is sadness also and happiness also.
Yes.
And
Sad news means sometimes sadness, but always happiness. Okay?
sometimes sad and always happiness.
Hmm. Then,
Then and they are related to each other.
hmm. Very
They
good.
love and they love and take care of me to each other.
Very good. Hmm.
um, they provide us safety and security and etc.
Hmm. Very
they
good.
also guide the they also guide to do the we also guide us that we are doing right thing, and they fulfill the needs and requirements to each other.
Hmm. Very good. They
And
fulfill our needs. Parents, our grandparents, right? It is not necessary everyone has both the parents, right? It is not necessary that everyone has grandparents also, right? किसी के grandparents आउट ऑफ टाउन भी रहते होते हैं, है ना? किसी के पापा की बाहर जॉब होती है, तो मम्मी, तो उस टाइप के फैमिलीज को अलग टाइप का फैमिली बोलते हैं. ओके, सो we'll see here about, we saw this about types. What is a family? Okay, family is what, beta? A group of people who live together. So you can see in this picture. See here, this group of people are living together. Can you see? Yes. Yes or no? See in this picture also you can see group of people are
yes,
living
yeah, a group
together.
of
Right.
people.
Now types of family: nuclear family, joint family, and large family. We are going to see. कौन से types of families are there?
Nuclear family, joint family, and large family.
Yes. Write down these three types of family names.
In rough book or fair book?
रफ बुक में बेटा, फेयर बुक में नहीं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Written?
No, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So types of family are two types. Okay. Nuclear,
Ma'am,
three types.
2 minutes.
Nuclear, joint,
Ma'am,
and
two types is
Ma'am,
nahi, three
2 minutes.
types.
three types. Three types. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Actually,
2 minutes.
there are many types of families, but here we are going to learn about three types. Written?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, two.
मैम,
हाँ.
मैं अभी न्यूज़ एडमिशन में आई हूँ, न्यू एडमिशन की हूँ.
Okay.
आप मुझे पहले का होमवर्क भेज सकते हैं?
पहले मैंने स्टेट्स और कैपिटल्स करवाए थे, तो आप वो लिख सकते हो रफ बुक में. ओके.
हाँ, पर मैं तब नहीं ज्वाइन थी. मैं तो अभी कल ही ज्वाइन हुई हूँ.
हाँ
नया.
ठीक है, भेज दूंगी. हाँ.
ओके. मैम, मुझे भी भेजना, मैं भी न्यू एडमिशन हुई. मैम, मैं कितनी बार लिखने का है?
So, nuclear family. Okay, what does nuclear family consist? It consists of father, mother, and child or children. है ना? Child और children क्यों? क्योंकि कभी nuclear family में one child भी होते हैं, और two भी होते हैं, and sometimes three भी होते हैं, sometimes four भी होते हैं, right? So it is the children, and sometimes nuclear family में mother, father, and single child भी होता है. Okay, so it is known as nuclear family. Okay, it is also called elementary or small family. Okay, elementary or small family. Okay, what it is called?
Small family.
Elementary or small
Small
family.
family.
Yes. Now, what is large family? Okay, we'll see that now. Okay. Now, large family consists of what, beta? It consists of father, mother, child, or children, and grandparents. Okay, what it consists of? What does it consist of?
Father, mother, children, grandfather, grandmother.
Yes. And
Consists mother,
siblings.
father, children, a child, and grandparents.
Yes. Sibling is a person who shares same parents. Okay, means you have someone will ask you how many siblings you have. Means what? How many brothers and sisters you have? Siblings means what? Your real brother and real sister. Not your aunt's parents, aunts के बच्चे नहीं, आपके real brother and real sister who shares same parents, जिनके एक ही parents हो. Okay, they are known as siblings. What are they known as?
Siblings.
हाँ, समटाइम्स आप कभी फॉर्म भरो ना किसी स्कूल का या किसी भी जगह का, तो आप उसमें सिबलिंग्स, नंबर ऑफ सिबलिंग्स लिखा होता है. क्या लिखा होता है?
Number of siblings.
हाँ, तो व्हाट, तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि इसमें क्या लिखना है. तो नंबर ऑफ सिबलिंग मीन्स कि एक ही पेरेंट्स के कितने बच्चे हैं, सेम पेरेंट्स. ओके, हु शेयर सेम पेरेंट्स, वन ब्रदर और वन सिस्टर. Someone will have two brothers, someone will have two sisters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is a joint family? Okay, joint family में क्या क्या होता है? Who is Demi?
I can tell.
In
Huh?
joint family, there is uh, in joint
My
family there is cousins
father, mother,
consist of father,
children,
mother, child, children,
grandparents,
grandparents,
uncle,
uncle,
aunt.
aunt, and cousin.
मैम ये लिखने का है.
Yes, right now. Written everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write this.
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
In the book.
I have no right. Ma'am. 1 minute.
हाँ.
मैम
हाँ.
ये रेड कलर का ये सब लिखा है. ग्रैंडफादर एंड वो सब लिखने का है.
Yes, joint family consists of father, mother, child or children, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins.
ओके मैम. मैम
हाँ बेटा.
कौन सी लिखने का है.
Cousins, cousins नहीं, cousins बोलते हैं.
कजिन्स.
Yes, is the son or daughter of a person or person's uncle or aunt. Written?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Yes. So now we will see what is a joint family. Okay, joint of family में basically consists of father, mother, child, children, and grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Okay. Now characteristics of a family we will say. What are the characteristics of family? Okay. Can you see the screen, Mita?
यस मैम.
Family is universal. It is the basic unit for all social activities. continuous responsibilities, and social accountability. Bringing up and nurturing teaches social behavior. All these are characteristics of family. Write down this, note down these characteristics of families. चलो fast. It will come in question answers also. Rough book में लिखना हाँ.
What, ma'am?
Write in your rough book.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, done.
yes, done. ये फोटो भेजने का है फिर हम लोग लिख लिया फेसबुक में फिर
What happened? Who is asking something? Now wait. Okay, I'm opening my present lesson. Okay. Huh? See, this is your textbook. Okay, My Vibrant Planet Social Studies. Okay, this one is your textbook. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to send this PDF today. All this we completed. Remember now?
Yes.
See,
All
जो
this
अभी
complete.
जो अभी मैंने जॉइंट फैमिली न्यूक्लियर फैमिली के बारे में आपको दिखाया था, है ना? तो आपको वो जॉइंट फैमिली और न्यूक्लियर फैमिली मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन में दिखाया था, अभी आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में दिखाती हूँ। वो पहले जो दिखाया था तो वो आपके प्रेजेंटेशन का था। क्या था? प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया था वो था। नाउ वी विल सी इन अवर टेक्स्ट बुक व्हाट इट इज रिटन। ओके, इज
मैम
इट क्लियर?
तो ना मीन्स मुझे एक डाउट है वो सॉल्व करूं।
हाँ बोलो।
मैम टेक्स्ट बुक में तो पहला लेसन ये फैमिली का तो नहीं है, तो आप कौन सा लेसन करा रहे हैं?
आपके पास कौन सी टेक्स्ट बुक है?
मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, रुको मेरे पास मैंने न्यू ही ली है।
हाँ,
मेरे पास तो न्यू है, मैंने अभी कल ही ली थी, मैंने आपको मैसेज किया था तब। मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको।
फ्रॉम वेयर डिड यू परचेज?
कहाँ से आपने ग्रुप ली थी?
हम्म,
इन
shall I start now explaining?
त्रिवेंद्र माची, सॉरी इन त्रिवेंद्र।
No, we had said you. We will guide you when you have to purchase. Okay, अभी आपको PDF में से करना है. Is it clear? So you
Yes, we
can
have
go and
already.
return if you don't have this textbook. Okay, I will send you the PDF today in the group. You check it, you compare it.
This you have sent me the index photo na. That index only I have, but I don't have this family. That is not this pattern.
Who is saying this? I never send you this image photo. I have not sent you this image photo. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Sorry.
Hmm. Okay, where is my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That textbook,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
textbook you don't have to take. Okay. Hmm. So family structure from joint family. Whose mic is on? To nuclear family. Yes. Read beta. Yes. Someone of you read. One of you. Yes, beta.
Can
What is
I
your good
read?
name?
Okay.
Huh?
Malada Aisha.
Yes, Aisha.
Malada Aisha.
Yes, Aisha. हाँ
Ma'am,
Malada Aisha read
in joint family system में
from up first line.
first line
Yes.
family century from joint family to
अच्छा
nuclear.
हाँ स्पेलिंग रीड करो ये स्ट्रक्चर है फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर फ्रॉम जॉइंट फैमिली टू nuclear when you don't know the
Nuclear.
pronunciation new words are there at that time what you have to do is you have to read the spelling okay
Okay.
yes Peter read
The structure
structure
the structure of the family has varied great great thought out history in different societies around the world. Joint family
yes
system.
so family structure from joint family to nuclear family Aisha mute your mic the structure of the family has varied greatly throughout history. History long back from history itself, it is varied. It is different in different societies. What it is, beta? It is different in different societies around the world. How it is? So, what type of families we wrote first? You say, me, chala. I made you write three types of families. Which are they? Without seeing in my screen, give me the answer.
What, ma'am?
Which type of families are there?
Three types of family.
Yes, which are those?
Large family, nuclear family, and joint family.
Large family, nuclear family, and joint family.
Yes, yes, yes. And yes, what are the responsibilities? What are the work of the families?
Um,
They love each other, they take care of each other, है ना?
yes.
ओके चलो वेरी गुड अगर आपको इतना याद रहा है इट्स गुड यस यस रीड बेटा
Joint family system. You have already learned. Is your मैम वो क्या लिखा है इन
इज
योर के
योर
बाजू में
earlier earlier class
earlier class से
better
about
you read the spelling if you are
extended
not knowing
extended family when grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together is called a joint family system. Hello, ma'am.
so हाँ बोला so joint family system you have already learned in your earlier class about the extended families when parents and grandparents, children and grandchildren all live together is called a joint family. Okay,
Okay,
as I showed you in presentation, right? The head of the family is usually the senior most family member, like a grandparent or a grandmother. They are who, beta?
Grandparents and grandmother.
They are the head of the family, means they are the members of the family who will guide you for every work. Okay?
Okay,
Living
ma'am.
in a living in a joint family has many advantages over a nuclear family. In a joint family, the weak can depend on the strong, and many tasks like child care can be shared. Most importantly, moral values, skills, and knowledge can be passed down from one generation to the another. Okay, what can be passed down? Moral
One.
values,
One
skills.
generation to another generation.
Who
Can
is
I
speak?
read?
Who is speaking in middle?
Keshwani
Yes.
Fatima. And,
Keshwani Fatima, please don't speak in middle. Most importantly, moral values, skills, and knowledge can be passed down from one generation to the another. Whereas in nuclear family, a family where only the mother, father, and their children, or you can say child also, right? They live together. It's called a nuclear family. Okay. Can you see in this picture the nuclear family? This is a nuclear family. Nuclear
Yes.
family means the center point of nuclear family is the center point of a larger group of relatives who lives elsewhere. मतलब कि उनके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कहीं और रहते हैं. ओके. Nuclear families generally come up when people move out, especially from their hometown to other places in search of work. In such a situation, maintaining ties with members of the extended family becomes a bit difficult. Means to manage different work, है ना, becomes difficult, है ना. और when you see, mostly nuclear family कब बनते हैं? जब फादर की ट्रांसफर हो दूसरे सिटी में या दूसरे कंट्री में, तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं? फादर मदर एंड चाइल्ड दे मूव ऑन with a family to that particular place, so they have been separated from the big family, right? So what happens in such situation? Maintaining ties with members of extended family becomes a bit difficult, right? Yes. Yes. Who will revise this paragraph what I explained?
ma'am, can I? Keshwani Fatima Zahra.
Yes, Keshwani Fatima.
Okay. Joint family system. You have already learned in your earlier class about standard family. When grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together is called a joint family system. A head, sorry, the head of the family is usually the senior-most family member, like a grandfather or grandmother. Living a joint family has many advantages over a nu- nuclear family. In a joint family, a week can depend on the strong, and many tasks like child care can be shared. Most importantly, moral values, skills, and knowledge can be passed down from the generation to each other. Nuclear family, a family where no sorry, a family where only the mother, father, and the children live together is called a nu- nuclear family.
Yes.
This is a
Understood
picture
till
of
here? Yes, girls. Understood na beta?
yeah. Nuclear means the center point, and the nuclear family is the center point of the larger group of relatives who live elsewhere. Nu- Nuclear families generally come up when the people move out, especially from their hometown to the other places in search of work. In
I'm
such
okay,
a
ma'am.
situation, maintaining ties with members and extended family becomes a bit difficult.
Yes, understood till here everyone. Any doubts, girls? किसी को कोई डाउट है बेटा?
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो. So today no, I will share the notes of this lesson.